Let's talk about a common math trap. You see 0 0.5 plus 0 0.05. Your brain, trained on whole numbers, might scream 0.10, but that's a major place value error. You've just added apples to oranges, or in this case, tenths to hundredths. The problem isn't the math, it's the setup. When adding whole numbers, you line them up on the right, but with decimals, there's only one rule that matters: align the decimal point. Imagine the decimal points are buttons on a shirt. You have to line them up in a perfect, straight, vertical line before you start adding. This simple act ensures you're always adding tenths to tenths and hundredths to hundredths. Getting the setup right is 90% of the work. But what about adding numbers with different lengths, like 12.5 and 4.67? The columns look messy. This is where our secret weapon comes in, the placeholder 0. That 12.5 becomes 12.50. It doesn't change the value. 5 tenths is the same as 50 hundredths, but it makes the columns perfectly even and safe to add. Carrying works exactly the same too. If you add the tenths column and get 13 tenths, you write down the 3 and carry the 1 over to the ones place. The decimal point doesn't stop the flow. After you add everything up, just bring that decimal point straight down into your answer, locking in the correct place value. And here's a final pro tip. Always estimate. A chef needs 0.75 kilograms of flour and 0.5 kilograms of sugar. That's roughly 1 plus a half, so the answer should be around 1.5. If your calculation gives you 12.5, your estimate immediately shouts that something's wrong. So remember, line up the buttons, use placeholder zeros, and trust your estimate. Your total will always be correct.